The future of accounting. Linasoft. Linasoft Cloud Accounting. What is Linasoft? Linasoft is a 100% cloud-based accounting system. It processes, records, and secures financial data and accounting transactions over the internet. With Linasoft, you can access your accounting records from any device with an internet connection. It is designed for companies, financial advisors, construction firms, factories, and businesses aiming to become more corporate. Digital transformation is no longer a choice, but a necessity in today's world. Advantages of cloud-based accounting systems. Access your data from any device with an internet connection. Your data is securely stored on encrypted servers. No need for hardware or technical maintenance costs. As your business grows, your cloud storage grows too. With multi-user support, employees can work on the same document at the same time. Software and legal updates are applied instantly. Fully compatible with ERP, CRM, e-commerce and banking systems. Linasoft Cloud Accounting. Key features of Linasoft: e-invoice, e-archive, e-dispatch, e-ledger, e-declaration, e-commerce, invoice, stock, bank, ERP, CRM. Benefits of Linasoft. Advantages for companies. Strategic advantages. Not just software, a strategic partner that digitalizes your business processes. Flexible solutions for growing businesses with its modular structure. 24/7 expert support via phone, remote desktop and email. Operational efficiency. Helps complete accounting tasks quickly. More work with less manpower. Prevents errors caused by manual data entry. Increases reliability with automatic calculations. Financial management and monitoring. Helps track income and expenses. Creates instant financial reports like balance sheet, profit loss, cash and inventory. Allows you to monitor and manage cash flow. Makes it easier to track debts and receivables. Offers due date reminders. Analyzes expenses by category to identify saving opportunities. Legal compliance and digital transformation. Simplifies digital documents like e-invoice, e-archive, e-ledger and e-dispatch. Eases the preparation and tracking of tax declarations. Ensures compliance with legal regulations and financial laws. Works in integration with financial advisors for smoother accounting processes. Integrated business processes. Keeps customer and supplier records in a central system. Manages stock and inventory. Supports commercial operations like pricing, discounts and campaigns. Manages credit card, check and promissory note transactions. Suitable for international trade with foreign currency and multi-currency support. Flexibility and accessibility. Ensures data consistency between branches. Offers role-based access and user control. Usable from anywhere with internet access. Allows mobile operations with app support. Reporting and security. Shows company strengths and weaknesses with detailed analysis and charts. Reduces data loss risks with fast and secure backups. Supports business growth strategies with data-driven insights. Discover the future of accounting. With Linasoft, we connect you to the digital finance world of the future. Thanks to the power of cloud technology, you can now manage your business more efficiently, securely, and profitably. Try Linasoft and stand out in digital transformation. www.linasoft.com.tr
Linasoft.